back to my channel, me, Vasu. In today's video, I'm going to take you all to a special restaurant called Kesar's restaurant, which is famous for its Maharaja Thali. It is also called as Bahubali Thali. As it is famously called as Bahubali Thali, I think it has been there from long time. But this is the very first time that I'm visiting this place. And lunch, we have also planned for a little bit of shopping. I'm not sure if I would be very much active or tired after returning back. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Me, Vasu. Without any delay, let's go. So this is our Kesar's Indian Thali restaurant, which I was talking about. As we enter into the restaurant, at the right hand side near the cash counter, we had lots of sweets, jalebi, kachori, so many sweets. Everything was tempting, but we didn't buy anything. I liked the spoon and fork concept and I captured it. And just opposite the door, as soon as you enter, you see this big vessel with such a big plate showcasing their special Maharaja Thali. They also had a Hindi background music. This is the menu on the table, but we have already fixed our minds to have our Maharaja Thali, so there is no use for us of this. And here is our Maharaja Thali option. It is only for 5 people and we are exactly 5 of us. So we were so happily enjoying our food, and see the cost. It is costing $69 for 5 people. And here is the ambience of the restaurant. I have just tried to capture the 360 degrees of the hotel, and there were very nice art pieces all around. Meanwhile, our Maharaja Thali is ready for us on the table. It has lots of varieties. I think there are almost 22 varieties. There was pav bhaji, chole bhatura, puri, garlic naan, tandoori roti, jeera rice, special rice, papad, chas, dessert, and 15 varieties of curries were there, and it was so nice. What was disappointing was the chas was only 4 and we were 5 people, and even the menu serves 5 people, but the chas was given only 4. And then it's time for a photo shoot with the Maharaja Thali. And then we started having our food as well. And ended with a pan. Then our shopping for the premium outlet starts here. They have almost 90 individual stores and showrooms there, which are all premium brands, and we didn't get a chance to visit everything, but whatever I am seeing, I will be trying to show it to all of you. I tried coming into the frame in the selfie mode for some time. If you want to see the pictures, you can follow me in my Instagram. I will add my Instagram ID here. This is all the children's play area and the sitting area to just relax. Now that most of us are vaccinated, see the crowd, and everyone were having their masks as well, and also maintaining the social distancing in the showrooms also. And here we go, the Under Armour brand, the Sunglass Hut, all the brands that I know. This is the mask, one which you are seeing in the middle, that has been for the mannequin that I purchased. And I was trying to see if there are any other masks that were interesting to me, but I didn't like anything this side. And the other side, I was trying to check the Swarovski Swan kind, and there are some other masks with alphabets, but I didn't like them. I just took the one which is studded. And here it's like our shopping malls will have the small shops in the middle, right? It's just the same. There are small shops all over apart from the showrooms. This is Puma brand, which we know, so I thought I'll just capture that. We went inside, but I felt everything costly, and then we didn't purchase much. The Steve Madden shoe. there was a clearance sale. We thought we'll just go see if there is anything that we can purchase. My friend bought a pair of sandals for her. I was busy capturing the video. Wonderful shoes. The high boots is what I have to plan to take sometime. And this is the last shop of our day, and it has become almost night, and see such a beautiful sky it is. And this is all for this video. Bye bye, take care. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, please subscribe to me, Vasu, and share it with your friends and family.